Hey guys, my name is Dr. Chelle. Welcome to the Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel. Thank you so much for caring about your future to become the best that you can be. I'm here to help you do very, very well on the digital SAT math portion by teaching you how to use the Desmos calculator. If you haven't done so, go ahead and watch my 4 pillars video and how my work supports your learning in Khan. We are looking at Unit 7, Lesson 6 on Scatterplots. We are looking at the basic examples. If you've gotten my book, we're on page 130. If your test is coming up and you don't have time to get the book, no worries. Or if you don't want to, totally fine. Just get paper and pencil. But most importantly, you want to make sure that you have the Desmos calculator open and it's set to College Board, or else all of the functions I'm going to show you may not work. And I was recording a video a couple days ago and I'm like, when I wrote the book, it worked. Why is it not working now? And it's because I forgot to put on the College Board calculator. So that's super important. It says the graph to the right shows fuel efficiency of miles per gallon to speed. So which equation best fits the model? So basically, let's look at some critical points. So we can see that somewhere around 2025, there's something important. Somewhere around 40-30, there's something important for a while. And then it goes down. So the best way to do this is just type in each function. Now I'm going to type a of x. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I prefer to label our stuff A, B, C, D to match the multiple choice. So I've got a of x equals, so you don't have to type f of x again. And all we're going to do, I remember writing this problem, it was a pain to get like the right slope that I wanted. So we can see here that the max here is 413.36, and we know that that's not what this is. So let's go ahead and type in the B equation. We've got 0.0087 times x squared plus 0.788x, let's move this, plus 12.7. Well, you know this is so complex. This is the one that I ended up doing. And you can see it does match the graph really well. We can see at 2025 there's something going on. We can see that it kind of chills out up here in the 30 range, and then it shoots back down. So the answer to this one will be choice B. Okay. Just to show you the other ones, because I'm that type of teacher. I don't know why that came up. We've got negative 1.2501 x squared minus 3x minus 15. So that's obviously below. And then the other one would be negative 0.5 x squared minus 5x and plus 2. So very clearly, like, it's not like we had to guess. It was very clearly letter B. The graph to the right shows sea level increases from 1990 to 2010. Approximately what year is the sea level exactly zero? So if we kind of look at this, this is sea level. So here we've got negative sea level values, and here we've got positive sea level values. And we want to know, in what year was the sea level zero? Well, looking at the line of best fit, the year 2000 makes the most sense in terms of approximating. Like, we wouldn't say 1990 or 2010 or even anything closer. It's really, I got it to cross right at 2000. Number 3, if the Jones family wants to spend no more than $550,000 on a home, what is the approximate minimum distance that they will need to live from the city center? So basically, here's our home cost in hundreds of thousands. Here are the different options. They don't want to go higher than 550, which is about here. So these items, if we drop down, that's about around 35 miles from the city. So the closer they live to the city, the more expensive the home values. The farther they live, the less expensive. So in theory, if they lived more than 35 miles away, they would be able to find a home that would be less than $550,000. All right, well, this concludes the basic questions. Come back in the next video. We're going to look at some harder ones. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.